What was the name of the popular recreational boat introduced in the 1970s? Pontoon boat. Which famous boat was famously hijacked in 1974? USS Pueblo. Which boat became a symbol of environmental activism in the 1970s? The Rainbow Warrior. What was the name of the famous yacht that won the America's Cup in 1974? Courageous. Which boat was famously used by President Jimmy Carter in the 1970s? USS Sequoia. What type of boat was featured in the hit TV series The Love Boat? Cruise ship. What was the name of the boat used by Jacques Cousteau in his TV series The Undersea World of Jacques Cousteau? Calypso. Which boat became famous for its role in the film Jaws, released in 1975? Orca. What was the name of the boat used by the characters in the TV series Gilligan's Island? Minnow. Which boat became synonymous with luxury and excess in the 1970s? Yacht.